This is our umami secret weapon. It takes longer to cook, but I guarantee you for sure, this is the best ever short rib green curry you ever had. It's like, explode your head. I'm gonna show you how to make a green curry. The one that I'm making with my mom, beef short ribs, which is the เนื้อซี่โครง when the meat attached the bone is the best part of it because of it's really tasty. You get a lot of flavor from the beef. Thai food is all about fresh ingredients. First of all, we have green chilies. The secret is when you're making a homemade green curry paste, you have to slice everything like very thin, so it's easy when you pound it with the pestle and mortar. This is the memory part because of in the old days, nobody tell you like you need to wear gloves when you're cutting something. So I'm start cutting chilies. Then the heat from the chili went under the nails. That was really like hot. Painful. My fingers burn, my body, my face, I touched my face. So that when it's the memory part, I remember everything by heart. After you get the chili, I touch it and then I move the chili out of my knife. Then I have Makrut, which is the a type of citrus. I'm using the skin from outside. Will give a really beautiful flavor. Lemongrass. I'm cutting the bottom part out. Then you're taking the outside part out to get the thinner part inside because it's much more tender. Then I thinly slice. Next, this is the galangal, very sharp heat. We don't need much, just the like a knob. Take the skin out. Again, thinly slice. Thai shallot, give a beautiful flavor. Thai garlic, which is they're really tiny, have the beautiful aromatic into when you're making curries. So I just want to show you a variety of chilies we have here. Of course, each one has the different uses. So we have a finger pepper here, which is the fresh one and dry. The Thai chili, which is the you can call it bird eye as well. All chilies here will go into the different kind of curries. Okay, then this is the fun part. So I have some of all the ingredients for the green curry paste chopped up finely. A little bit of salt, like a big pinch, just to help processing when you pound all the ingredients here. Make sure you cover using your hand. Just cover here so the paste not gonna jump into your eyes. The consistency of the green curry paste, I'm aiming to be like a really fine paste, like a smooth paste, as much as possible. When my mom making green grocery, of course, and then we sell curry on the street. My mom, she making her own curry paste because about all the neighborhood love her curry so much. She was really precise. Every time she want to make it exactly the same. So this is what all the chefs trying to do. Everything consistency. So her customer would never comment anything except like, your curry is so good. This green curry paste is going to be like a medium heat. At Come Home, at my restaurant, we actually have a little chili, which is floating into the curry as well. Use your spoon. If you don't want it too spicy, you can put it away. Or you actually want it more heat, you can have that bite because it's kind of like a really kick into the dish. Sometimes you don't see it because you scoop it up, put it in your mouth, it's like explode your head. Okay, we have a curry paste now, ready to cook our green curry short ribs. We have two more ingredients to add in. One, which is the coriander seed, and the other one is the cumin. We're gonna toast this up for a few minutes. While we're waiting, I'm gonna add in the shrimp paste, umami secret weapon. The shrimp paste will give you a beautiful flavor into the green curry. Okay, it's ready now. So you can smell the spikes coming out now. Then the color will be slightly darker. We're gonna add this into our curry paste. And here is our texture of the curry paste. we're ready to make our green curry. I started off with the coconut milk. Going to bring the coconut milk to boil, and then after boil, we're gonna reduce it by half. I'm showing how to make the coconut milk. You need the old coconut, which is like a brown shell, and then has much more meat inside. Also, bad memory. In the old days, we don't have an oven. So what we need to do, we just light the charcoal, and then we throw the coconut onto the fire, and then when it starts getting burned, crack it up, taking the coconut meat out. I mean, it takes forever to get the coconut milk, right? You know, your hand, it's kind of like really painful. But my mom, basically, she said, well, look, you know, thinking about the Cleopatra, right? She soaked her body into the milk bath. So it was so soft, and then it was really silky. I was like, Mom, it's not like that. Look at my hand. My hand was like, it's so red, squeezing the juice out from the coconut. So I don't think it's like that in the old days, right? So let's start. I'm gonna add water. I have around 800 grams of coconut meat here. So as you can see, I just put the coconut meat in. You can do this a bit at a time. Dump everything into the blender. Then I close it up, and then I try to blend everything, become like a smoothie, basically the texture, right? As you can see here, it just basically look like milk already, but from the plant. Pour into the cheesecloth. So this is the harder part. So you try to squeeze out all the coconut milk from the cheesecloth here. I think I go through a lot of coconut, like thousands and thousands of coconut, because of my mom make 10 different kind of curries. The stock or the base of the curry come from coconut milk. And here, what I say is the harder part is just squeezing to get all the juice out. After a few minutes, it's gonna start get separated. So you're gonna get the top, which is the cream, and then the bottom, which is more lighter part, is gonna become like a milk. Okay, I have the coconut milk ready. Add the curry paste, the green curry paste into the coconut milk, and bring to the boil. I have apple eggplant, berry eggplant, and then Makrut leaves. The berry eggplants give just a slightly bitterness into the green curry. And then sweet basil, finger pepper into our curry. I'm going to seasoning with the fish sauce, a tiny bit of palm sugar. We're gonna set the curry aside, and then we're gonna do the beef short ribs. We're gonna get the pan hot on high heat, and then we're gonna reduce the heat down just to sear it off, to close all the golden brown, and then we're gonna rest it. I have a cooking oil, just a touch. I'm gonna salt the short ribs. So I'm putting the skin side down, because of on this side, it's just the bone only, and then it has a lot of silver skin. The skin attached to the bone, to whole. So because of you want to get the flavor and the color, golden brown. So we go for the high heat, and then we're gonna reduce the heat down to the medium heat. So now I got the short rib golden brown here. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and then we're gonna rest in the refrigerator for like half an hour. We're gonna put in a vacuum bag, and then we're gonna sous vide at 85 Celsius for 12 hours. When we put into a vacuum bag, we're gonna put some of the our green curry sauce here that we made. So it's kind of like a marinade, because of you know, for us, we love to taste our curry. So it's like the meat tastes like green curry, the curry tastes like the meat. So now I have my beef short rib sous vide for 12 hours at 85 Celsius. I'm gonna drop this into the our green curry. So the meat is really hot already, and then we're just kind of like getting the sauce, coating again to the to our beef short ribs, and then we're gonna start assemble. As I mentioned earlier, so I'm gonna drop this Vide chili. I have Makrut leaves and some of the chiffonade or julienne. And here แกงเขียวหวานเนื้อซี่โครง Thai green curry short ribs. Amazing. Wow.